Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashionista Files. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will explore the exciting world of full-length mirror ideas. In this video, we will explore a range of creative concepts and inspiration that will help you to evaluate your content and captivate your audience. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast or simply someone who enjoys experimenting with home decors, these ideas are for you guys. These ideas will provide you with a fresh perspective. Full-length mirrors are commonly used in bedroom, dressing room, and in halls. There are various styles including freestanding mirror, wall-mounted mirror, wooden mirror, and silver mirror, etc. Some mirrors have additional features like adjustable angle, built-in lighting, and storage options. These are the latest home decor ideas of full mirror length that will make your home look eye-catching and stunning. I hope you will like these ideas. Whether you are getting ready for special event, trying on new clothes, or simply ensuring you look your best, a full-length mirror can be useful and practical addition to your living space. In this video, you will see the most latest and stylish and trending full-length mirror ideas 2023. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more captivating content and videos. Don't skip the video till end. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.